can introduce yourself and tell me which song you're singing today.
Okay, well, my name is Leroy, otherwise known as Shawta Dan, and the song that I'll be singing is From the Basics.
So which one your name, your stage name? Shawta Dan?
Shawta Dan, yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
From me I got basic school, me a priest and me want to be cheddar. So me take life serious, work for me own, want climb up success ladder. So me link CVM, figure vice this a one now, hope say bust like a bomb. Car rent a fi pay, clothes a fi buy and food in a plate fi win yam. Make me tell you about my life, one time gone back a torch on me flashlight. Me couldn't eat no french fry, just splitters and lemonade man me prescribe. So me pray life daily, say me talk so sweet and charm every lady. Take on life with bravery, add the rhyme to the beat, promoter them pay me. If I meet you a cook, if you realize one pint, it must reach your gravy. So me work hard, figure reap the reward, although it rough like a slavery. Me I tell you every get a youth, just work hard, fi come out of the struggle. Just plan some of that, sell some of this, that's what get a youth call hustle. Cause from we a got basic school, me a priest and me want to be cheddar. So me take life serious, work for my own one.
Cut. Yes, I like the message. You're very, the song is it's convincing, okay? Whatever you want, you have to work feet. And it's 8 bars, or you go 16? 16, I like that, because people are listening, you understand? And because you caught my attention with that, you go 16 bars. And to go 16 bars, you have to really listen what the artist say. So, I like that. So, and it's strong, good message. Yeah, work hard for the cheddar.
Okay, all right.